tired of chasing online income, but still seeing no real results after months of effort wasted? What if smart AI could work for you, day and night without needing your constant attention? This new system uses Agentic AI to plan, act, and complete tasks on its own. Without help, it builds simple AI agents that can automate work and help businesses save time and money daily. You can create systems that handle support, leads, content, and even sales for clients easily. Instead of doing everything yourself, the AI does the heavy work. While you guide the process, many people are now using AI agents to offer services and get paid by real business owners. The idea is simple: create value for companies and charge for automated smart solutions fast. Even beginners can start, because everything is designed to be simple and easy to follow. Step: you do not need coding skills or technical knowledge to start using this system right now. Imagine having your own digital workers running tasks while you focus on growth and income. This is not magic, but a smarter way to use AI tools that actually take action, not just ideas. If you want to see how this works in real life, check the link in the description right now.